welcome to Castle View Academy. Today we're going to review what's inside of this very delicious, yummy box that has delicious food in it. Let's open it up. What can be in there? Oh, there's a sticker tag. Open me, eat me, enjoy me with a smiley face. Let's open it. Nice brown paper. And there's some nice bubble wrap. First, we have a wee sheet here that says the categories we have inside. Then, over here, is a recipe that you can use with one of the items that comes with this box. So, our first item is Shreddies. You can bring them out and about for a very quick breakfast. Comes with a spoon. Here it has the tub of Shreddies, and it even comes with some milk. But one thing that you should do is probably keep it refrigerated. Now, here is some ginger beer. Quite cold. This is what it looks like. It's taped onto the bottle. So make sure your kids don't have it because they're not old enough yet. Our second thing here is up the app. Spring water in drinks with protein and the vitamins, blueberry and raspberry. Now here is some tea. 80 bags of tea with a free tea towel inside the pack. Our third thing here is another up the app. Spring water endurance with protein and vitamins. But this time it's some simmered lemon. Now here is some Genesee honey.
Jack Daniel's Tennessee.
It's perfectly mixed with lemonade. Our next thing is very yummy Latin America chicken and vegetarian and vegan Mexican spice tomato sauce for vegetables. And you can put some rice on the side with it too. Next, there's a Kit Kat. It's a chunky Kit Kat. Salted caramel fudge flavor. Our next thing is Get Fruity Most Mixed Berry Core. Very yummy indeed. Now here is some Lift is the brand name. Just add water. Instant lemon flavor tea to keep you hydrated. Next thing here is transformed tacos and white tuna and burritos. And then last of all, there's another can of the lemonade with the honey mixed in. And that is what we have for you today in stock in your very yummy, delicious Degustabox. Bye!